Jabari Smith Jr. missing that as Steph heads into the front court.
And they didn't lose to two sorry teams.
No, lost to Dallas and Minnesota. Steph Curry with a three. I think against a men Thompson, he could do some damage in his own right scoring. They don't have Şengün at center, so they're playing small. Steph with a running one-hander with the right hand.
It's a one-man wrecking crew in the open court.
Klay. That's a one-man fast break for three.
She told me too. I didn't know Nelly was coming too.
Yeah, it's going to be a great show. Klay Thompson, so a missed free throw becomes a three-point trip. Justin and Aaron and the talent level there.
Boy, they're on a journey together.
Three of them are excellent. Klay Thompson is excellent. He's got 14. Chris Paul knows. Klay is this hot. It's an ISO over Aaron Holiday. No, come on. Come on!
Two with the ball, and Chris Paul is rotating over, but the problem with that is he's so much smaller than Jabari Smith.
Jalen Green and Jabari Smith. Steph laying it up and in.
Dylan Brooks has helped, it has to be said. You know, no matter what happens at the end of this season, they got a chance to double their wins. It'll be tough to do because they got to go 6 out of 7. And Steph knocks down a rainbow three.
And Thompson, a little undersized, and just the bulk of Trace Jackson-Davis, forcing that baby hook short. Steph all the way to the iron to lay it up and in. But upon the final minute here in the third, Klay from the foul line. Man, has he had it stuck on automatic. 11 of 15 for 29.
Talk about diagnosing a game.
Reggie Bullock, you saw him in Dallas for years, and Steph went right around him.
His handle is elite.
You know, this lead was 4 coming in with the tiebreaker. It'll be 5 with only 6 games left.
There's some teams ahead of the Warriors. As Steph gets inside again, he's still working.